Alright guys, you probably already know this, but the AI video space is getting absolutely ridiculous right now. There are literally hundreds of AI video generators popping up every single week, all claiming they're free and unlimited. But the moment you try to generate even a 10-second clip, the reality hits you like a truck. You're instantly blocked by a paywall, forced into a premium subscription, or you get slapped with low-quality videos that look like they were rendered on a 2005 Nokia phone. And here's the crazy part. Some of these same low-quality tools charge you $200, even $300 plus per month. And after paying that insane amount, they still limit your exports, they still limit your credits, and they still give you mediocre results. It feels like the AI industry is turning into a giant money trap. And honestly, small creators like you and me are the ones getting crushed the most. We lose time, we lose money, we lose motivation. And worst of all, we fall behind while bigger creators keep pushing more content every single day. But hold on, because today, everything is about to flip. Because I've got something that's honestly going to feel unreal to a lot of you. After testing tool after tool, deleting, retrying, comparing, running benchmarks, I finally found the 3 best AI video generators that are not only 100% free, but they also let you create unlimited videos without any hidden charges, any credit limits, or any sneaky paywalls waiting for you on the final export button. These tools are so powerful that if you start using them today, you're literally giving yourself the same advantage that big creators have without spending a single dollar. And if you don't take advantage of this right now, honestly, other creators will. They'll start pumping out content faster, ranking faster, dominating niches faster, while you'll still be stuck looking for the right tool. So before these tools get flooded, before they go viral, before they start charging, watch this video till the very end, because I'm about to show you the 3 best free AI video generators you can start using today. And trust me, you do not want to miss this. But before we jump into the good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, because trust me, you don't want to miss the next tools, hacks, and AI secrets I'm dropping on this channel. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, let's start with the first tool on our list, which is Pippet AI. And don't worry, I have dropped all the links to these tools in the description, so you can follow along and start using them right away without wasting time searching. Once you're on the official website of Pippet AI, look for the button that says Get Started for Free at the top right corner. Click this button and you will be asked to sign up either with your Google account or your email. The sign-up process is super fast, takes less than a minute, and it won't ask for any payment information at this stage, which is already a huge relief compared to other tools. After signing up, you will be taken to the main interface, which is very clean and user-friendly. Here, you'll have to click on the option that says Video Generator. This will open Pippet AI's video creation page, which is where you can start turning your ideas into actual videos. The first thing you need to do here is paste your video prompt. Your prompt is basically a description of what you want the AI to create. For example, I am pasting a prompt asking it to create a short cinematic documentary about the pyramids of Egypt. Begin with wide aerial shots of the Giza Plateau at sunrise, followed by ground-level views that show the scale of the pyramids against the desert. Include close-up shots of stone blocks, hieroglyphs, and weathered textures. Use smooth cinematic transitions, warm natural lighting, and a calm, majestic tone. The visuals should feel educational and immersive with a documentary-style pacing and realistic colors. You should be as clear as possible in your prompt because the AI will use it to generate visuals, text, and narration. Once your prompt is ready, you will see a plus icon on the interface. Clicking on this icon gives you the option to add a reference, which could be a link to a website, an article, or even your own media. You can also choose from Pippet AI's built-in library of assets. After adding references or assets, it is time to choose the mode for your video. Pippet AI offers multiple modes depending on what type of video you want to create. If you want to create a long, cinematic, documentary-style video, go with Agent mode. If your goal is marketing or promotional videos, then Light mode is the best choice. And if you're looking to make short clips or social media content, you can try VO3 or Sora 2, which are optimized for short-form content. Since we're creating a documentary video for this example, I will go with Agent mode, which will give us more control over the video structure and content. Next, you need to select the aspect ratio for your video. Pippet AI gives you multiple options like 16:9, 9:16, and even square formats. For most YouTube videos or standard screens, 16:9 is ideal, so I will select that. After choosing the aspect ratio, you can select the language of your video. One of the best things about Pippet AI is that it supports multiple languages, which makes it very useful if you want to target audiences audiences around the world. I will go with English, but you can pick whichever language suits your audience. The next step is to choose the duration of your video. You can select anything from 15 seconds to a full minute, depending on the type of content you are creating. For this example, I will go with 45 seconds, which is long enough to convey a clear message, but still short enough to keep viewers engaged. Once all the settings are configured, simply click the Generate button. The AI will start processing your video, which usually takes just a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your prompt. Once the video is ready, you can preview it directly on the platform.
At the edge of the world's oldest desert, three giants rise, silent witnesses to millennia of human ambition. Built with precision beyond imagination, each stone a testament to the ingenuity of ancient engineers. Carved from the earth itself, these stones hold secrets of a civilization that shaped the course of history. In these sacred symbols, stories of pharaohs and gods are etched into eternity. For centuries, the pyramids have drawn travelers and scholars alike, inspiring wonder and curiosity across the ages.
If you are happy with the result, click Download and save it directly to your device. And that is how you create a fully AI-generated video using Pippet AI. This tool alone can save you hours of editing work and hundreds of dollars in production costs. And the best part is that it is completely free to get started. Once you get familiar with it, you can start experimenting with longer videos, different modes, and even multi-language content to really level up your video production. Now that we have successfully created a video with Pippet AI, we are ready to move on to the second tool, which is even more powerful and will give you completely different styles and features to play with. The second tool on our list is Akool AI. And just like the previous one, you can find the direct link to this tool in the video description so you can try it yourself right after watching this video. Once you sign up on Akool AI, you will be welcomed by a clean dashboard that gives you access to multiple AI video creation features. On the main interface, simply click on the option that says Products. When you open this section, you will immediately notice that Akool AI offers a wide variety of video creation options. You can create avatar videos, convert PDFs or PowerPoint presentations into videos, turn images into videos, generate videos from text, and much more. This makes Akool AI a very flexible platform depending on what kind of content you want to create. For today's video, we're going to focus specifically on their text-to-video feature. So go ahead and click on Text to Video, and this will take you directly to Akool AI's video generation page. This is where you can start creating cinematic AI videos using nothing but a simple text prompt. The first thing you need to do here is paste your prompt. For this example, I am using a very detailed cinematic prompt. After pasting the prompt, the next step is to choose how many videos you want the AI to generate. Akool AI allows you to generate multiple variations, which is useful if you want to compare results or pick the best looking version. Next, select the duration of your video. You can choose between 5 seconds and 10 seconds. For this demonstration, I will go with 10 seconds to get a longer and more cinematic result. After that, select the resolution of your video based on your needs and platform requirements. Once all these settings are selected, simply click the Generate button. Akool AI will now start processing your request. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the prompt and the video length. After the generation is complete, you will receive a 10-second AI-generated cinematic video like this. You can preview it directly on the platform, and if you are satisfied with the result, just click on the Download option to save the video to your device. And that's how easy it is to create high-quality text-to-video content using Akool AI. This tool is especially powerful for short cinematic clips, wildlife shots, and visually rich scenes that would normally require expensive cameras and professional setups. Now that you've seen what Akool AI can do, it's time to move on to the third and final tool, which might just be the most surprising one on this entire list. The third tool on our list is ReCloud AI. To start using ReCloud AI, simply click the link provided in the video description and sign up. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, and once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard that looks like this. On the main dashboard, you will notice an option labeled AI Video Generator. Go ahead and click on it, and this will take you directly to ReCloud AI's video generation page. This is where you can start creating AI-generated videos using just a text prompt. On this page, you will see a text box where you need to paste paste your prompt. This prompt tells the AI exactly what kind of video you want to generate, so the clearer your description is, the better the output will be. After pasting your prompt, the next step is to choose the aspect ratio of your video. You can select the format based on where you plan to upload it, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. Then, select the quality of the video according to your preference. Once everything is set, simply click the Generate button. Within moments, ReCloud AI will process your request and generate a video like this. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can create an AI-generated video without dealing with complicated settings or long workflows. ReCloud AI is perfect if you want something fast, simple, and easy to use. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.